Imagine an AI that can see your screen, understand everything, and control your computer or phone just like a human. No more clicking, no more tapping, just telling it what to do. ByteDance. UITARS 1.5. ByteDance has just dropped a game changer. UITARS 1.5. This isn't just another AI model. This is a vision language agent that can interact with any digital interface, using only natural language. What is UITARS 1.5? Built on QuemVL, UITARS 1.5 is trained on billions of GUI screenshots, human action traces, and even video tutorials. The result? An AI that doesn't just understand apps, it knows how to use them. Desktop automation, mobile control, real-world navigation, TARS can do it all. Smarter than GPT-4 and Claude? How smart is it? In head-to-head benchmarks, UITARS 1.5 is outpacing giants like GPT-4 and Claude in GUI-related tasks. It doesn't just follow instructions. It understands context, intent, and even the visual layout of the screen. How it works? What's under the hood? UITARS uses advanced visual perception, spatial reasoning, and a unified action space that maps your commands to real-world screen actions. Talk to it like a human. Watch it work like a pro. Real use cases, why it matters. This is more than automation. It's the beginning of natural human-computer interaction. From personal productivity to accessibility to full-on virtual assistants, UITARS 1.5 is a glimpse into the future. The future of interaction. What's next? ByteDance has raised the bar. Again, with UITARS 1.5, the line between human and machine interaction just got a whole lot thinner. Logo and call to action. AI that sees, thinks, and acts. This is UITARS 1.5 inches. Learn more. Subscribe for updates. Comment your thoughts. Let us know. What would you do with an AI that controls your screen?